There he is. Oh! Dang. Oh, I ain't believing that. Must just not have had my hook. Come on. Oh! Golly. Whatever it was, he was aggressive with it. What'd you do to him? Oh. Check this out. Little fire tiger, diver, guys. Ow. And I stuck it straight in my hand. That was not that old. Still be good. Just any old pockaroonie. What's up, Fish Geek? Got everything loaded up in the car. We're gonna head out to, we're gonna cross the line to Mississippi today. How about that? That's right, we're going to Mississippi to hunt some largemouth, hopefully some good bucket mouths. I know there's big old spots out here. We're going on the back side of Sipsey where it joins in almost into the Buttahatchee, and it's been a while since we've been on the water, guys. Today I think our focus is going to be on the woolly bug, the young woolly bug. And we're going to paddle upstream. What we're going to do, we're going to get to this bridge, unload, paddle upstream, throw the woolly bug back downstream. If it does good, we'll keep throwing it. If not, we're going to put on the plastic old Helgemite. Y'all know how we do. So, hey, it's good to be back with you guys, man. I missed fishing. I missed doing everything. We've been down for a little while. Everything from back to school to being sick and hurt and everything. But, hey, God's with us today, and we're going to do our thing. And we're going to get out on the water. We're going to try to get some footage and get some good catches in. See what happens, guys. So, without further ado, we're going to head out. Got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, man. Well, he got a good release there. Good job, dude. There had to be something down there. Ooh. Well, that's where you're walking. Got him? Got him. Ah, it's a beautiful long ear, and I snagged him hard. Oh, sorry, little buddy. Oh, there he went. Y'all saw him. Okay. That's number whatever on the day. Didn't get the second one on camera. Ah. Come on. Sucker. Oh. Oh, y'all see what he did? Took the whole back side of my brush hog off. No way. No way. He's under that log. Oh, there it is. There's one, guys. And I mean, old spot hiding up in that tree. You know if they're up in them trees, it's a spot, guys. You know that. Not a terrible fish. A dropped fish, but not a terrible fish. Maybe a little 3/4 pounder. Maybe a little 1/2 pounder. And after him so long, he feels real good. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Meanie spot. It was fun. Alright, guys. We're going to walk around, grab my backpack, and we're going to walk on up that thing because it looks like the place we need to be. See if we can get a little release release action kicking on this guy. Okay. God bless the fish on, guys. On to the next one. Hang on, I think we gotta fish it first. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Got that mean spot. That mean spot chasing. All right. Starting to get fired up in the creek, y'all. Oh. A little bit of a fish. We're not going to break the scale out for him. But a little bit better fish for the old let him go. I guess that was a good call on that tree, huh, guys? Alright, God bless the fish on, guys. That was a good one. He was fun. He just couldn't help it, man. Smallmouths and spots and largemouths too, even. Cannot help go after that Hilgermite. Oh, there he is again. Oh, up and on the tree, guys. Okay. Woo-wee. Hey, some largemouth action. Got some largemouth action. Okay. I'm trying to help you, little dude. A little buddy, but a largemouth nonetheless. Yeah. So number 3 or 4 on the day, I think. Alright. On the Hilgermite, guys, they're being so shy they don't hardly bite nothing else. I'm gonna switch to a God bless the fish on, guys. On to the next one. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that action. I think I got a fish on, guys. I do have a fish on. What would you know about that? I was sitting here winding that string up, and the Lord blessed me with a fish. Not a big one, but a fish. Mean little spot. Here you wee be the guy. Yeah, I was wrapping my string up, trying to be a good Samaritan. Alright. God bless the fish on, guys. Next one. On to the next, on to the next one. That little thing was just free floating out there in the current. And he found him. Yeah! Yes, sir! Alrighty. Persistence pays off, and largemouth. Biggest largemouth of the day. Nice. Love catching these guys instead of the spots. They're not as feisty, but it's cool. Around here, we're in Alabama. So we're in Alabama spotted bass territory. So when you catch a largemouth still, it's all right feeling. Check him out now. Oh, little fatty chunker largemouth. Yep. Oh, Lordy. All right, cool for us here. One more time with the little chunker action. Oh, I hope I got it. God bless the fish on, guys. Maybe we got that nice. He danced for us. He danced. Oh, action. Action! Oh, they like that Northern Lights Hellgrammite. Oh, no! And he slung it off. Let's just go right down here in this holy moly deep water to grab this Hellgrammite. Ha! Thought he got me. He thought he got me. Spotter. Nice little spotter. Nice little spotter. Alright. Get him out of here. Alright. God bless and fish on, guys. On to the next one. Oh, yeah! Oh, got that thump thumper! Oh my great goodness, guys. Look at her. Oh my goodness, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys, got to give her up. 4-pound monster largemouth on the creek. We're going to get her with the release. I'm just going to... Beautiful monster. She's still over there. She's kicking back to life. There she goes. You go have a bunch of babies, girl. Beautiful. Oh man, worth the whole thing today, guys. God bless and fish on, guys. Probably the last one. We're gonna head on out. Stay tuned for Mo. Oh, that was so great. What time is it? I gotta take a thing of that, man, because this bite ain't turned on until about an hour ago. Well, oh, I gotta be getting out of here. Got to be getting going, y'all. That was worth it right there. All that hunting. Lord bless me with another good day, guys. Absolutely had a bad week, and the Lord just put his blessing all the way down on me. Ain't nothing like that moment when you realize it was a bite, and it ain't moving much of nowhere. You got to pull. Oh, I got to love it. So wasn't expecting him today. I was expecting to come off this creek. Those couple little dinkers from Dink City. That was gonna be it. Oh, another one. Another good fish. Another good fish. Nice. Nice. Another largemouth. Heck yeah. Burning them largemouths down, guys. Burning them largemouths down. Fish on, guys. On to the next one. Bite finally turning on around noon. These creeks run a completely different schedule than Lakes and Ponds. What else I'm tagging with? Oh, there it is. Hey! You thought you wanted to get the rest of the Oh man.